This isn't going to be a long video. It's something that I came across while driving past a church in my area. And that would be, instead of a regular stairway like this, they had a stairway going up at a 45-degree angle like this. And I'm not 100% sure that this thing right here doesn't meet all of the building codes, because as long as the riser heights are consistent and the tread depths are consistent, and you can measure from the front of the tread to the front of the tread the correct allowable measurement in your area, or the minimum distance, and you can measure from the front of the upper tread to the front of the lower tread, and those measurements are consistent or the same throughout the stairway, or the minimum measurement, should I say, and you're going to have the same walk line measurements, then I don't really see a problem with this. However, I think a stairway like this would be a little confusing to use. If it was me, I would go with a stairway like this to eliminate any of the problems someone might have using the stairway. And for those of you out there who have a specific building code that would suggest that you could not use a stairway that would be laid out at an angle like this one here, then feel free to let us know in the comment area. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.